Question is from Get Overflow PDF, question number 1.2.1 from topic Modulo Arithmetic. Question came in GATE 2016. The question is, we have to find the value of the expression, which is 13 to the power 99 mod 17. We can easily solve this question using Euler's theorem of coprime. So first see Euler's theorem. So theorem is basically, if we have two coprime A and N, and N belongs to a positive integer, then a to the power phi of n is congruent modulo 1 mod n. Here n is Euler's function. So what is Euler's function? Euler's function is phi of n is basically number of how many numbers are relatively prime or coprime with n. If n is 4, so how many number less than 4 are relatively prime or coprime with 4? Relatively prime or coprime means the GCD of between two numbers must be 1. So 1 and 4 is coprime 1, but 2 and 4 is not coprime because GCD is 2. 3 is coprime. So here phi of 4 is 2. Phi of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to check all the positive value which is less than 6. 1 and 6, yes, it is GCD between 1 and 6 is 1. GCD between 2 and 6 is 2. So we will not take 3 and 6. It is GCD between 3 and 6 is 3. 4 and 6 GCD 2. 5 and 6, yes, it is 1. So 1 and 5. So total number 2. Phi of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to check all the possible value less than 7. 1 and 7 GCD is 1. 2 and 7 1. 3 and 7 1. 4 and 7 1. 5 and 7 1. 6 and 7 1. Basically, if n is prime, here n is 7 and n is prime, means 7 is prime, then we have then all the value less than n is relatively prime with n. So less than 5, less than n means n minus 1 values. So if n is 7, then 7 minus 1 will be phi of n, which is 6. Here we have n is 17, n is prime. So phi of n must be 16, and a is 13. So a 13 to the power 16, 13 to the power 16 congruent modulo 1 mod 17. This condition must be satisfied from the Euler's theorem. If we have a congruent modulo b mod n, then we can also write from this expression, we can also write a to the power k congruent modulo b to the power k mod n, where k is positive integer. So we can do 13 to the power 16 whole to the power 6 is congruent modulo 1 to the power 6 mod 17. So it will become 13 to the power 96 congruent modulo 1 mod 17, but we have to find 13 to the power 99 mod 17. So break down this expression. Is equals to 13 to the power 96 multiplied by 13 to the power 3 mod 17. We can write like this: mod 17. We know this is 1 because this expression means 13 to the power 16. If we divide 13 to the power 16 with 17, the remainder is 1. So remainder is 1, and we can easily do 13 to the power 13 cube, which is basically 2197. You can use calculator in exam hall and easily calculate, which will become 4 is answer. But you cannot use calculator for this large number. It will overflow calculator. You will not get exact value. So 4 is the actual answer.